Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Cookies, cookies, cookies! Who doesn't love Christmas cookies? And you just won't believe how easy these are to make. They practically decorate themselves. Here's what you'll need. All the ingredients for your favorite basic stocking cookie. I've posted my favorite recipe in the comments. Once you make your cookie dough, you'll need green and red food coloring. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Add green food coloring to one, red coloring to another, and leave the third plain. Then you'll need some decorative sprinkles. Once your dough is colored, grab small chunks of each and randomly press them together like a mosaic. Then roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Now, using your favorite holiday cookie cutters, punch out your designs. Each cookie should incorporate all 3 colors. Do the same with all the scrap dough. They'll look just as pretty. Then bake them at 350 degrees for about 8 or 9 minutes. Once they cool, you're on to the next step, the glaze. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of powdered sugar, a small amount of water, and a few drops of almond or vanilla extract. The glaze should be thin enough to see the colors of the cookie through it. Brush the glaze on the cookie. Then all that's left to do is sprinkle with a little decorative sugar. How pretty is that? I love these cookies because they're so easy, gorgeous, and best of all, delicious. Christmas cookies make this the most wonderful time of the year. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.